Good morning, folks. Welcome back to a beautiful Saturday here on Haggett Hill. It's about 45 degrees. It's the second day of November. It's really beautiful outside this morning. So what we're going to be working on today, I'm going to try to clean up my wood yard a little bit. A few videos back you saw me with Rusty out here working on the trail coming down to the wood yard. But the area behind me is where I used to have my ground mounted sawmill. And you can see this big slab pile I've got down here. That was from cedar logs that I had milled up to make some raised garden beds last year right before I sold the mill. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through this pile today and see if there's anything that's good and salvageable that I can bust up and use for kindling for my fireplace, and then we're going to burn the rest. And I've got a pile of old logs over here that are rotten, that they're probably, once I get the fire up and going really good, we're going to put them on top of that fire and try to get it burned and clean this up down here. Eventually I want to move my new mill down here and get it back into place, but I got to clean this area up first. So watch along as I clean this up today. Here's a closer view of what I'm going to be cleaning up today. Here's my slab pile. I'm try to go through that. There's still some good kindling in there and a few 2x4s I need to pull out. This is an old rotten log pile. Most of it's not any good. That big hunk you see right in the middle is some white oak that I cut a few years back. It's probably a little pecky around the outsides, but it's got some good boards in the middle. I'm going to saw them out, some slabs. I'll be able to use it for something. Got some more junk wood here. This big piece on the bottom is a white oak. It's got some crotch in it. I'm going to see if I can't put that on my mill and come up with that. This pile over here that's starting to look pretty rough is to use for firewood. It's still got some good wood in it, but I'm going to have to get on it pretty quickly. I'll cut it up here in the next few days and it'll dry pretty quickly. Here's my newest pile of logs to use for firewood. It's got a lot of good wood in it. Most of it's been cut down for a couple of years, so it's drying real well. I'll start cutting on it before long as well. We'll put a little diesel fuel on here, makes things go better. some of that probably looks like good stuff to you, but I'll assure you it was rotten. I don't waste anything that's good, so rest assured there was no use or no useful value in it. Well, folks, I think it's about time to wrap this one up tonight. It's getting close to dark. This is burning down pretty good. I'll come down tomorrow after church and stir it up a little bit, check it out. It should be pretty well burned down by then. So we'll see you tomorrow. Well, folks, it's Sunday afternoon. I came down after church to stir my pile a little bit. Looks like most of it burned up. There's a few chunks in there, so maybe it'll take off and finish burning. After it all burns out, I'll come down and get rid of whatever the scrap is that's left over. Thanks again for coming back and watching another project here on Haggett Hill. And remember, if you like what I'm doing, please like the content, like and subscribe. It'll help my channel grow. And as always, God bless. Thanks for watching.